How AI is changing every product you use in 2026. You use AI 10 times a day but you do not know it. Today I show you exactly where AI is hiding in your everyday products and why it matters. Welcome back to AI with Zulfi. I am Zulfi. 30 years in tech. Today I show you something most people miss. AI is not just in ChatGPT. AI is everywhere. It is in your phone, your email, your streaming service, your bank, your car. Today I show you where. Let me start with your smartphone. Every app you use has AI running in the background. Your camera uses AI to recognize faces and adjust lighting. Your keyboard uses AI to predict what you will type next. Your Photos app uses AI to organize pictures by people and places automatically. You did not enable this. You do not see it working. But it is there. Every second of every day. Your email is the same. Gmail uses AI to filter spam. You receive maybe 5 spam emails per day. Without AI you would receive 500. That is AI working invisibly. Your email app learns what matters to you and highlights important messages. AI is reading every email before you see it. Now your banking app. When you make a purchase, AI analyzes it in milliseconds. Is this a legitimate purchase or fraud? AI decides instantly. It has saved your money thousands of times and you never knew. Your bank's fraud detection is almost entirely AI-powered. Your streaming service, Netflix, YouTube, whatever you use, is entirely AI-driven. The recommendations you see are not random. AI learned what you like by watching what you watched. It analyzed millions of viewing patterns and predicted what you would click next. That is why Netflix feels like it knows you. Your car uses AI for everything now. GPS is AI. Lane detection is AI. Collision avoidance is AI. If you have a modern car made in 2020 or later, AI is protecting you constantly. Some cars have already prevented accidents you never knew were coming. Your bank's loan decisions are AI. Your insurance company's pricing is AI. The job application system that rejected you was AI. Your smart home devices, Alexa, Google Home, they are entirely AI. They listen, they learn, they anticipate your needs. Your social media feed is 100% AI. Every post you see was chosen by AI to keep you watching longer. That is not a bug. That is the business model. Your health tracker, Apple Watch, Fitbit, uses AI to detect patterns. It knows your heartbeat better than you do. It can predict health problems before doctors can see them. Here is the real insight. AI in 2026 is not about ChatGPT or image generation. That is visible AI. The real AI is invisible. It is running in the background of every product you use. It is making decisions about your money, your safety, your information, your time. Most people think AI is a future thing. It is not. It is here. It is not coming. It is running your life right now and you do not see it. Here is what matters. Understanding where AI is, invisible or visible, helps you make better decisions about what products you use, what data you share, what to trust and what to question. The products that will win in 2026 are not the ones with the flashiest AI. They are the ones with the best invisible AI. The AI that works so well you do not notice it is there. I am Zulfi. 30 years in tech. I watched AI go from research lab to invisible everywhere. If I can see it, you can too. See you in the next one.